Hello everyone, welcome to our quick mobile comparison session. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Google Pixel 8a and Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Google Pixel 8a comes with an IP67 rating and Edge 50 Ultra comes with an IP68 rating. Next, talk about the display features. Pixel 8a comes with 6.1 inches OLED display and Edge 50 Ultra comes with 6.7 inches P-OLED display. Let's move to the hardware features. Motorola Edge 50 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Pixel 8a comes with Google Tensor chipset. Camera features. Google Pixel 8a comes with 2 rear cameras, and the Edge 50 Pro comes with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the price and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.